Avoiding missteps. Master the usage of enough. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to focus on a very important part of English grammar, the quantifier, enough. This word is very commonly used but can often lead to errors. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have mastered the usage of enough and know how to avoid the common mistakes that can trip up learners. Enough is a quantifier used in English to indicate sufficiency. We can use it with nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. But the tricky part is that enough changes its position depending on what it's modifying. Let's dive into this more. Nouns. When enough is used with nouns, it comes before the noun. For example, I have enough money. Adjectives and adverbs. When used with adjectives or adverbs, enough comes after them. For example, you're not driving fast enough. Verbs. When used with verbs, enough usually comes after the verb. For example, she doesn't study enough. Now, let's talk about the common mistakes that learners often make with enough and how to correct them. Mistake 1. Misplacing enough. Remember, when enough is used with nouns, it should come before the noun. It's incorrect to say, I have money enough. Correction. The correct sentence is, I have enough money. Mistake 2. Using enough before adjectives or adverbs. For example, he is enough tall to reach the shelf. Correction. Remember, enough should come after the adjective or adverb. The correct sentence is, he is tall enough to reach the shelf. Mistake 3. Forgetting to use enough in negative sentences. For example, you don't drive fast. Correction. If you want to express that someone doesn't do something to the extent that is needed, use enough after the adverb. The correct sentence is, you don't drive fast enough. And there you have it. We've now covered the common mistakes that English learners often make with the quantifier, enough, and how to correct them. Remember the positions of enough based on what it's modifying, before nouns, after adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. Keep practicing and you'll soon be using enough confidently and correctly. Happy learning and see you in our next video.